What's going on, YouTube? Back here on another episode of the fence build. We're going to weld these rails on so we can get this sheeted tomorrow. So run you through the plan. So let's get into it. Here we are, all my posts are in. So next step, we'll get the laser set up. We'll start marking my heights of this fence. So we'll go through a mark probably every third with the laser. Measure up from the laser. And we can run a line from there, and that'll give us a nice level line for the top rail. So yeah, just keep going. Alright, now that's done. I've got a reference mark on probably every third post. So now we can measure up, and then that'll be my top height of my top rail, nice and level the whole way down. So we need to be 2300 from this point, from the bottom point here up. We're going to be 2300 height. Boom, and that's top of rail, top. So that'll be coming down. Take our square, just square that line around to the face. So we got a reference line here. My rail will be down. Righto, so here we are back. Got one side rails on, top and bottom now. So here's a little look at what it looks like. We go on to the corner to corner now. So now just finishing this run up to that last post there, get these top and bottom rails on. Not too bad, everything's welded. So we'll continue on, eh? Oh, 10 a.m. and it's 38 degrees already. Shirts are just see-through. This is my third shirt today already. Righto, so that's a wrap on this one. 28 metres of Colorbond fencing, 2300 high by myself in 2.5 days, so pretty good effort. So the owner's putting a garden bed each side, so that'll get rid of that gap, but still maintain your 1800 off the top of the garden bed, just because they've got a pool going in here, so obviously you need to maintain that 1800. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.